Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In my last vlog I showed you that our road trip didn't go as planned and we landed on a friend's farm to spend our days working in the garden, enjoying the nature and reconnecting in our rituals. Today I want to show you more of that. Enjoy! Here in the middle of Portugal's nature, we work together, we eat together, we have a fun time and have deep talks about life. You have seen this farm a lot of times before in my vlogs. Here we have Rainer to take care of his hemp plants that he uses to produce CBD oil and cream. He also has a veggie garden, so we pick fresh vegetable from farm to table.
It's like wisdom from your ancestors, you know. It kind of gets lost if no one asks.
The pharmacy, it's a big business. So they call medicine, but it's a drugstore.
Yeah.
Every night there were thousands of fireflies around us. I tried to capture that magic in the video, but I think on the photo it's more clear how many there were. Good morning. I'm so happy that she's happy here. She's strolling around and catching butterflies and just having a fun time in the trees. So nice to see. And it's so pretty here right now. The morning sun just comes above the hill. I'm still so tired, but I can't wait to start in the day because today is another silent day. So no phone for me, just presents. And I couldn't imagine a better place for that right now than being here. Just need to look like a normal human being and not like a crazy cat lady in the forest. Let's go down to the others and get some coffee first. So I wrote something. It's like a prayer and I just wrote whatever, like it's not supposed to be really special. Sometimes just write and let it flow, you know, just spontaneously writing down. And today I really felt the strong sense, the strong words of connection to, all living beings. It's really special for me to be here and to feel this connection again and to spread love. And this is like for me a really big thing that I try to live every single day. Just have this compassion for everything that is alive and choose another path that is possible. We are so caught up in excuses and traditions, and I think that our ancestors built a way for us to choose. to be these conscious beings. I want to take advantage of being a smart human being, to have this choice of love, to have this choice of doing something different. It's easy to hate, it's easy to put others in pain, and it's also easy to not care what is behind our actions. We sometimes don't know. So to choose consciously and to realize what happens with our choices is like a great liberation, because we can be different. We can choose to love and open our hearts. And that is what I wanted to say with my prayer. A prayer to love for all beings. I am a living being on this earth. I am conscious, I am alive, I am one with every living being on this earth. I consciously choose to not contribute to pain and suffering. I choose to open my heart and live out of love. My body and soul don't need victims for strength. I only contribute to love. My body and soul become one with all living beings on earth. Every bird, every bug, and every cow are my sisters and brothers. In peace we rise together to a higher consciousness, to a better world, a world for all living beings to be at peace. We create heaven on earth. This is my mission, this is my passion, this is my choice. Let's start in a day with an open heart and much love. Remember when we wanted to clean the river, that it was full of canas, and now the city burned it down. Take it now for the garden. It's good nutrition for the soil, and also we want to jump the rope at some point again. This way is new here on the farm. It's like a cut-through way behind the fig trees, and you can reach the chicken area over there. So the chickens walk here to the house, but you can also walk here. The trees. It's so pretty. It feels like a fairy way or something. You want to go through? He's so funny. When he runs, he looks so funny as well. Like a walking pillow. I think there's nothing better in this world than spending time with animals in nature. To play around, to water the garden, to take care of everything and everyone. And to just spread my love into that surrounding. In spring we actually had a lot of rain here in Portugal, which made the weeds grow so big that you couldn't enter the veggie garden, and the plants that we would pick the food from wouldn't have enough space to grow. So I cut the weeds down as far as it was necessary.
Okay.
biggest luxury in life for me is freedom. I'm rich because I can drink my coffee underneath these beautiful trees. I'm rich because I can read my book and smell the flowers. I'm rich because I can take that time to write down my feelings and thoughts. I can cuddle cats. I'm rich because it's warm enough to walk outside barefoot, to feel the earth. Kleine. I'm rich because I love animals and they love me back. When we walk through life with that thought, everything becomes a miracle. And that's how I love to spend my life, thankful and always being aware of how good it is to be alive. In some moments, our life seems to be so hard. But when we have the main 5 things, air, water, food, sleep, and movement, we can be happy and grateful. There's always something to be grateful for, and being in nature really reminds you of that.
Wisdom in harmony with the universe around you, in the Tao, in the way of things. So your life feels from moment to moment, yeah, I'm in the right place at this moment. How to realize those things is what yoga and spiritual practices are about.
When I was little, I remember my mom making elderflower syrup, and I saw that here on the farm. There is elderflower blooming right now. So I wanted to do that also. The tree is somewhere here, so I'm gonna pick some and try it out. But I just had a call with my mom, so apparently the syrup itself takes a lot of time. Yeah, I'm gonna try out like just kind of like a sort of a tea, elderflower tea or something. I feel like there are so many plants in nature that have superpowers, naturally superpowers. And you can use them for anything like wounds or sickness or as a cream or as an oil. There are a lot of plants that we can use actually instead of buying stuff that is not good for our hair, our body, our health. So usually people, when they are sick, they would go to pharmacy and buy stuff like pills that they don't even know the ingredients from. They just like swallow it and they don't care if it's poison or not, if it's like chemicals or not. It's like just like stilling this pain in this moment, not really healing the sickness on a deep, healthy level. So I feel like we lost a lot of wisdom about plants and how to use them as medicine. Yeah, of course we can be happy to have like things like operations of medicine. Of course that is a huge step forward, but still, and I think it's when your throat hurts or stuff like that, or your head, like just having this knowledge of what plants you can use around you to have a healthier approach to that sickness. I'm super interested in that right now, to learn more about that. And my dad also told me that my great-grandma, so his grandma, had a lot of knowledge about that. So she would make all these creams and teas and salads and whatever out of all these herbs and plants. And I feel like this is so beautiful. It's such a beautiful way of doing this. It's fun also. You go into your garden or you go in the forest, you collect these and you're like, oh, this is for headache, this is for belly cramps, this is for this and that, you know. So it's a lot of wisdom that kind of gets lost in all the generations. I wish I could chat with her about that and she could show me around. Yeah, I never met her. She was dead already when I was born. I feel like maybe somehow I got something from her or from other women in my life, in my DNA. Yeah, right now I feel a bit like a crazy witch in the forest talking about plant medicine, but yeah, it's just natural, you know? So what is bad about natural? Yeah, I really want to learn. So if you know some nice workshops or people that know about that, or books or whatever, I'll leave you a recommendation. But now I'm searching for this elderflower, so let's go pick it and try some elderflower tea, if this even exists. Here I spend every morning practicing yoga, meditation, and speaking affirmations and prayers out into the world. Then we got to witness another miracle. The only female cat here on the farm got pregnant and got her babies. Oh my god. I think she got 5 of them all together. Now it's our last day. We are leaving soon again back home. It's Saturday today, so on Monday holidays are over and yeah, the normal daily work schedule starts again. And I feel sad to leave the farm again, even though if it's not far from Ericeira, it still feels like going back out of this life where you wake up every morning, you are in nature already, where you go and have your rituals in nature, where you spend your day just outside. The only time I go inside is going to the bathroom. So it's like a totally different life, and it feels so good to have this air around you, to have these sounds around you. It makes me realize how much, or what I want in my life, which is definitely to have a land in nature with green and blue, so a body of water and the forest, to have these both colors around you that make you feel so in tune with your life, and you're just so grateful for everything. This time here really reminded me on what I want in my life. So yeah, now first of all, going back and working again, spending time at home, living the life and seeing where we end up. You are with me on this journey to find such a place. So yeah, let's go home. Olive, geh nach Hause. Ja.
Zo, dan een kortje nog keer.
It's like we're illegals.
Yeah.
Some fresh air.
People in the back would be like, what the hell is happening over there?
I love that since living here in Portugal, I can easily switch between the green on the farm and in the forest to the blue of the ocean, to sit down and witness the sun go down, to smell the salty air, to watch the waves crash on the beach. It's another big luxury in life that I'm so grateful for. Olive has her birthday aka finding day today because 1 year ago she was found in the bush close to Lisbon. Exactly 1 year ago. She was so small at the beginning and now she's such a big girl. Happy Fundtag! Happy Fundtag, süße Maus! Aww. We bought her a present. It's like a water drinking fountain because she loves the running water so much. So she will get her present now. Let's see how she likes it. Happy Fundtag to you. Happy Fundtag to you. Happy Fundtag, dear Olive. Happy Fundtag to you. Hello, I hope you can hear me. It's super windy. I'm sitting here right now at my lunch spot on top of the cliff, so there's always a lot of wind going. And yeah, I'm currently just waiting for the breathwork class to start where I'm going today. It's guided by Ian. This is really cool because I really want to improve my breathwork. So breathwork is in yoga the pranayama, which means you control your breath in order to improve your posture, to heal your body, to feel better. Like, it has a big effect, and a lot of people don't know that because a lot of people think, yeah, inhale, exhale, what else should I do? But there are a lot of breathing techniques that can actually help you. For example, when you have anxiety, or when you need to go in a certain yoga posture that is hard, or when you feel stressed, whatever. So breath is really important, more than we know. There are a lot of books about that as well. So yeah, I really want to improve that pranayama. I always practice pranayama, but for me it's hard to maintain like a practice where I'm focused enough to have results. So I want to learn more about this. So I already been one time and it was great. I felt like in a meditation, like after that I felt like flying. So now I'm going again, and yeah, let's see how it will be. I guess it will be good. because he's a good teacher and the music is great, so I can really tune in to that. So yeah, let's go there.
So when you start loosening or releasing that body part, that thought might actually start to disappear.
The last month, I really took that time to practice a lot of my rituals, to practice a lot of yoga, a lot of pranayama, and it made me feel so good. I did so many silent days in between. I spent so much time by the ocean or in nature in general. And I can feel how my thoughts align with that, how my mind, my mental health aligns with that. I think the most important thing for a happy life is to take that time for yourself, to wake up a bit more early, to take every break that you have to go outside, to breathe deeply, to breathe consciously, to be aware of everything around you. As soon as you change your perspective and the way you look at things, the things you look at change. The Atlantic Ocean is still a bit too cold for me, but I can't wait for the summer months. Being in nature always makes me feel so free, so liberated. I can't even explain in words, but I hope I can show in pictures, in movies. Thank you so much for being here, and I can't wait to take you with me into my next vlog, my big adventure alone in Corsica. Stay tuned. Subscribe to my channel and like this video if you liked it. I love you so much. See you in the next one. Bye.